Hello students, I Jay Khatri from Macrogen Academy, Burhanpur. Today we will start 8th chapter of computer, that is exploring more features of Adobe Photoshop. In this video, I will explain you advanced tools of Adobe Photoshop. In the previous chapter, you have learned about the selection tools, drawing tools and the painting tools. In this chapter, you will learn about the retouching tool and the type tools. You will also learn the two interesting and useful features of Adobe Photoshop, that are layers and filters. Layers lets you organize your work, while filter let you enhance the look of an image by adding various effects. Healing brush tool. The healing brush tool lets you repair damaged images, apply repeated pattern, or enhance the look of an image using various effects. Some of the retouching tools available in the Photoshop are healing brush tool, spot healing brush tool, paste tool, red eye tool, blur tool, sharpen tool, smudge tool, dodge tool, sponge tool, burn tool, clone stamp tool, and pattern stamp tool. Healing brush tool. The healing brush tool allows you to fix image imperfections such as scratches, blemishes, etc. By sampling the surrounding area or using a predefined pattern, you can blend the imperfection into the rest of the image. Now you can see the diagram of healing brush tool. Now I will explain you how you can use healing brush tool. Select the healing brush tool in the toolbox, check the settings in the option bar and adjust if necessary. Following options are available in options bar: brush size, blending mode, source and aligned. If you are using sampled mode, alter click an area near the imperfection to define the starting point. Click and drag over the imperfection. If align is selected, the healing brush tool will remember the starting point between mouse clicks. Now you can see example of healing brush tool. In this first diagram, scratches is there. After using healing brush tool, scratch is removed with the help of healing brush tool. Spot healing brush tool. The spot healing brush tool works in similar manner as the healing brush tool, except that it does not require the sampling point to be set. It automatically picks up the sampled pixel from around the area to be retouched. This tool can be used to quickly remove spots, blemishes and other marks from photographs. Now I will explain you how you can use spot healing brush tool. Step 1. Select the spot healing brush tool in the toolbox. Step 2. Select the appropriate option in the option bar. Step 3. Click an area which you want to fix. Now you can see example. Spot is there in this diagram. After using spot healing brush tool, this spot is removed. You can see. Clone stamp tool. Photoshop's clone stamp tool allows you to duplicate the part of image by setting a sampling point in the image to be cloned. The cloned image can be drawn over another image or part of the same image. Now you can see the diagram of clone stamp tool. Now I will explain you how you can use clone stamp tool. Step 1. Choose the clone stamp tool in the toolbox. Step 2. Click the appropriate setting in the options bar. These settings may include choosing a brush size, opacity value or setting the align checkbox. Step 3. Hold down the Alt key. The cursor shape changes to target symbol. Click on the image to be cloned to set the sampling point. Step 4. Click and drag where you want the clone image to appear. When you draw, a plus sign appear on the original image, while a corresponding circle appear on the cloned image. Now you can see one example of clone stamp tool. This is original image and this image after using clone stamp tool. You can see the difference between both images. Pattern stamp tool. Pattern is usually a design made up of the image that is repeated or tiled. The pattern stamp tool lets you fill an area with a selected pattern. Photoshop comes with a variety of preset patterns. You can select a preset pattern from the Photoshop library or create your own pattern. Now I will explain you how you can use pattern stamp tool. Step 1. Select the pattern stamp tool in the toolbox. Step 2. Set appropriate options such as brush size, mode, opacity and flow for the pattern stamp tool in the options bar. Step 3. Select a pattern from the pattern picker in the options bar. Step 4. Place the mouse pointer inside the area where you want the apply pattern and drag the mouse. The area of the image across which you drag, the mouse gets filled with the pattern. Now you can see the example of pattern stamp tool. So dear students, I hope you understood different tools which are used in Photoshop. In next video, I will explain you more tools which are used in Photoshop. Thank you and have a nice day.